Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Tian, and in this video I am going to show you guys 10 examples of D3JS. So all the examples that I will be showing you guys is right here. I have selected from this box. So without further ado, let's jump into the first one. So the first one is this. You can see this is like a solar system. So the planets are moving around this, and this is also moving. So if I change this one, now you can see the outer circle is also moving, and all of this seems like a gear. So we have 3 gears over here, and the middle one is here, and the last one is sun. So everything is moving except for this one. So that's the first example of D3. So the second one is this one. You can see, you can actually select the color. Let's see, purples or oranges, and you can also play with this one. Right now the upper section is less bright, and the more you move here, the more variation you will see. So the next one is Geodesic Rainbow. So right now you can see this Rubik type cube. If I change this from here, now it's more complex. If I drag it over here, the thing is getting more complex and getting more triangles. So if I go to the last one consumes the maximum triangles it can have. So that's what it can do. The next one is Heshin Map, and here it says the map shows approximately 3000 locations of Walmart. So the color represents the age of these stores. The older stores are red and newer stores are blue. So you can actually show something else here as well. You can show the corona epidemic that is going right now. You can show different the number of corona patient in different states. So the uses can be endless. The next one is force directed graph. So you can see we have these dots over here. So if I just reload this page, we can see a cool transition over here. If I just reload, you can see how it enters, and you see this one is only attached to this one. So if I just pull this and release this, it will go like this. But suppose this one is held by so many nodes. So if I pull this, it goes quicker. So that's something that you can do with D3. The next one is hive plots. This is in this website, and you can show different data. The next one is from the New York Times. They have used D3 to showcase this document, this data. So like jobs 88 to 80, I don't know what that is, but you can show different aspects over here. So the next one is world tour. So you can see this is going one place to another. If you are making a flight website, a booking website for flights, you can actually use this one, and you can show your clients or customers that are booking through your website that they are going from this place to that place. So this is a fine visualization with D3 that you can use if you want. The next one is the wealth and health of nations. So right now this is, if I just click on play, you can see these are moving, and at one point it will be from here to here. So let's just grab this to make things run fast, and you can see at the first they were here, but at the end of the play they got here. So you can show different times respected things, that in 1990 some things were here, and in 2020, in the span of 30 years, things have changed. So the last one is zoomable circle packing. So we can see a lot of circle. but if I click on this, only this box will be shown. Then if I click on this, only this box will be shown. If I click on this, then it will take me to the whole screen. So these are the 10 examples that you can make with D3. These are only some of the examples. You can also go through these if you want to observe more, see more, what you can do, or what basically you can do a lot. I don't want to limit your imagination. So yeah, so these are the things that I wanted to show to you guys. So yeah, in my next video I'll hop into some more advanced stuff, not advanced, like the basic stuff that you need to know to get started with D3.js, like how to install D3, how to get started, what is SVG and all. So all that good stuff is coming from the next video. So I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Till then, take care.